To begin with, the quality of our lives is often determined by how we use our time. Many people find themselves caught in the cycle of daily routines, focusing on tasks that may not contribute to their overall well-being or happiness. However, when we approach life with intention, we can make conscious choices that align with our values and aspirations. This intentionality allows us to prioritize activities that bring joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose. By focusing on what truly matters, we can transform ourselves. Cultivating passions is another vital aspect of making life feel long and meaningful. Engaging in activities that ignite our enthusiasm and creativity not only enriches our lives but also fosters a sense of personal fulfillment. Whether it's pursuing a hobby, learning a new skill, or dedicating time to a cause we care about, these pursuits add depth and richness to our existence. When we immerse ourselves in activities that resonate with us, we create lasting memories and a sense of accomplishment that enhances our overall quality of life. Nurturing relationships is equally essential for a fulfilling life. The connections we build with family, friends, and communities provide support, love, and companionship. Investing time and effort into these relationships can yield profound rewards. Meaningful interactions and shared experiences create a sense of belonging and contribute to our emotional well-being. By prioritizing relationships and engaging in open, honest communication, we can cultivate deeper connections that enrich our lives and provide a sense of continuity and purpose. Moreover, embracing a mindset of gratitude can significantly impact how we perceive the length and quality of our lives. When we practice gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. This shift in perspective allows us to appreciate the small moments and everyday joys that often go unnoticed. By recognizing and celebrating these moments, we can create a sense of abundance in our lives, making the days feel longer and more fulfilling. Incorporating mindfulness into our daily routines also plays a crucial role in making life feel longer. Mindfulness encourages us to be present in the moment, fully experiencing our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. By practicing mindfulness, we can slow down the rush of life and savor each experience. This heightened awareness allows us to appreciate the richness of life and fosters a deeper connection to ourselves and the world around us. Additionally, embracing challenges and viewing them as opportunities for growth can contribute to a sense of fulfillment. Life is inevitably filled with obstacles, but how we respond to these challenges can shape our experiences. Rather than shying away from difficulties, approaching them with curiosity and resilience can lead to personal development and a deeper understanding of ourselves. This growth mindset encourages us to see life as a journey, where each experience, whether positive or negative, adds to the richness of our existence. Lastly, setting goals and aspirations can provide direction and purpose, making life feel longer and more meaningful. When we have clear objectives, we are more likely to engage in activities that align with our values and passions. Goal setting creates a roadmap for our lives, allowing us to measure progress and celebrate achievements along the way. This sense of direction enhances our motivation and encourages us to make the most of our time. In conclusion, life can indeed feel long if we learn to use it wisely. By embracing intentionality, cultivating passions, nurturing relationships, practicing gratitude, and fostering mindfulness, we can transform our lives into rich narratives filled with meaning and purpose. The key lies in how we allocate our time and energy, focusing on what truly matters. When we approach life with this mindset, we create an abundance of experiences that enrich our existence, making each moment feel significant and rewarding. Ultimately, the length of our lives is not measured solely by the number of years we have but by the quality of the moments we create and the memories we cherish.